Hello and welcome to Regiondo Trainings. Today we'll show you how to prepare for the upcoming Christmas season. Everything we show today is available in all Regiondo packages. At first we'll have a look at the product or gift voucher. Then we will inspect the value vouchers. At last we'll discuss discount codes. All three are great options to boost your pre-Christmas sales. Now, let's have a look at the gift vouchers. A gift voucher can be activated or deactivated per offer. For each product, you can decide if you want to provide a value voucher or not. It is called product voucher because it is bound to the product it was bought for. Thus, you can only redeem the voucher for that one offer. To activate it, go to Manage Offers, My Offers, and click in the offer for which you would like to offer a product voucher. In step 7, Preview, you can switch on the gift option. Click on Submit Product for the end customer to see the gift option right beside the ticket tab. In the same step, you also have the option to highlight the gift option or let it always be displayed. When you decide to highlight the gift option, it will be displayed as primary option to the customer. If he wants to buy a ticket instead, he thus has to click on the ticket tab first. You can see the difference this makes by clicking on the preview eye in Manage Offers, My Offers of the corresponding product. If you've chosen to always show the gift option, then your customers will be able to buy a product voucher even when there's no appointments available. Vice versa, if you deactivate the function, the customers can only buy vouchers if you set up appointments. The redemption of the product voucher works as follows. On the voucher there's an instruction which steps the gifted person has to take. The first, he must click on the link and enter the voucher code. Then, the customer will choose a date and time of the event and place the order. He or she will never see the price of the offer. If the person wants to redeem the voucher on site, you can do this by navigating to Bookings and Redeem Voucher in your dashboard. Let's proceed with the value vouchers. Value vouchers have a monetary value and can be created in Manage Offers, My Value Vouchers. The creation of such a voucher is like setting up a new offer, though way shorter. In the first step, it is important to determine a price and which offers the voucher should be applicable for. You will decide which amount you want to offer your customers. Customers can then choose between your predefined amounts. They can't buy vouchers with custom values. For example, in the voucher creation you determine the amounts of 10 euros, 20 euros, 50 or 100 euros. So no voucher for, let's say, 75 euros can be purchased. Then you can decide if the voucher should be redeemable for all your offers or just specific ones. If letter's the case, you have to choose the ones the voucher should be valid for. The value voucher is presented on your website as a standalone offer and can be bought independently from the appointments you set up. The value voucher can be redeemed by customers during the purchase process on your website. The corresponding amount will then be deducted from the card. If the voucher amount is smaller than the total, the difference must be paid by one of your offered payment methods. If the value is higher, the total will be set to 0 and the voucher will have a residual value for the next purchase. If the amount is exactly as high as the total, the price will be set to 0 as well, and the voucher will be invalidated. When customers redeem the value voucher by phone, for example, the code can be invalidated in the field Voucher Code of your manual booking process. For that, go to Bookings and New Booking. The voucher amount will then automatically be subtracted from the total. The gift voucher as well as the value voucher can be customized in their design. If you desire to do that, go to Shop Configuration and PDF Editor. There you can find the templates Regiondo uses in a purchase situation. Next, we will talk about discount codes. Discount codes and value vouchers cannot be combined. Per card you can only redeem one. Also, it's not possible to discount the purchase of a value voucher. Further, you must think about the communication to your customers, as Regiondo won't do that for you. You can create any number of codes, but without communicating them, you won't receive feedback, of course. You have to take care of the communication yourself, for example by sending out a newsletter, publishing a social media post, or creating a banner on your website. Discount codes can be created at increased sales and coupon codes. In the first row, Code, you type what your customers should enter later during the order process. For example, Christmas 2022. In Validity Booking Date, you decide by using the calendar in what time the discount should be redeemable. In Validity Event Date, on the other hand, you will determine when the offer should take place for the code to still be valid. This is optional and can be used, for example, to generate awareness for a specific time period that is less busy. If you leave this field empty, the code can be used regardless of when the chosen event takes place. Next, you can choose the discount type. You can either choose a percentage reduction on the offer price, or a fixed value on the tickets or the whole card. Just below, you can enter the percentage or the amount you want to discount. The maximum quantity discount is applied to is an optional field again. Here you can define if the discount should be granted for all tickets of an order, or only a specific number of tickets should be reduced per order. As an example, you insert a 2 in this field, but the customer books 4 tickets in one order. Therefore, the discount will only be granted for 2 tickets, while ticket 3 and 4 will be fully charged. The last row determines how often the coupon code should be usable, basically the amount of orders that can be discounted before the code expires. For example, you want that the first 100 customers get a discount, so you insert that number in this field. The person that makes the 101st purchase has to pay the full amount. If you'd like to give your customers the possibility to redeem the coupon code an infinitesimal number of times, just insert a very high number that can't practically be exceeded. At last, you can determine whether you want to connect the code to specific offers, or if it should be available for all. Just select the offers you want the coupon code to be valid for. If the offers consist of multiple price lists or ticket categories, you can restrict those as well. The discount code is redeemable like the value voucher in the order process. You can see an overview of all generated codes on the bottom of the page. There you can have a look at the code details and edit them by just clicking on the code row. It is also possible to deactivate or delete a coupon code when you select it in the leftmost checkbox. After doing so, a drop-down menu appears on the top right side of the overview. A code can be deleted as long as it is not redeemed by a customer. If that's the case, it can only be deactivated, restricting the access for future use. It is also possible to reactivate a formerly deactivated code. That's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next Regiondo trainings.